So now I'm going to explain you the benefits of this business diagnostic study. There are major 10 benefits which you and your business can get from this unique business diagnostic study that we conduct. Benefit number 1, checking the effectiveness of your strategies and policies. Now business has lots of strategies, policies, systems, but we need a business diagnostic study to understand the effectiveness, whether it is creating those effects, whether it is giving the business those results that we require, that can be analyzed only if you have the right business diagnostic system at place. So our system will help you. That's benefit number 1. Benefit number 2, understanding the business performance better. So with this unique business diagnostic system, you will be able to understand the performance of your business better. There are various parameters and various numbers through which we analyze and understand the performance of any business. So the results that we share with you will help you to understand the performance of your business far better, right? So that's benefit number 2. Benefit number 3 is identify the strengths and weaknesses. Now any business has certain amount of strengths and certain amount of weaknesses, and it can be changed over a period of time. So the strengths and weaknesses which your business had maybe 4-5 years back, right now the scenario may be completely different. So our business diagnostic study will help you to analyze and identify your current strengths in the business and current weaknesses. How can we make our strengths more stronger, and how can we overcome the weaknesses? That is the data you will get, and that's the benefit number 3. Benefit number 4 is identifying the threats. Any business has lots of threats. This threat could be internal or it can be external. So the business diagnostic study that we are going to present will help you to understand the 2 categories of the threats that you have, whether it is internal or external, and it will also help you to take right actions on them, right? So that the threats are eradicated and you can take the business to the next level. Benefit number 5 is identify and implement new business opportunities. When we conduct the business diagnostic study in your organization, you will have some new opportunities opening up to you. New opportunities always opens new doors of success, and that will help you to take your business to the next level. So that's benefit number 5. So benefit number 6 is developing business goals. After analyzing the current situation of the business, you will take business goals so that your business grows and you can take your organization to the next level. Now, goals taken after business diagnostic study are far more beneficial because the probability of achieving your goal is better because they are taken after taking into consideration the current situation of the business. That's benefit number 6. Benefit number 7 is identifying the skill gaps in the employees. Now, on the basis of business diagnostic study that we do, you will be able to identify the exact gaps which are there as far as the employees is concerned. What are the skill gaps, so that you can formulate your entire training and development calendar on the basis of the skill gaps in the individual. Benefit number 8, identify the strengths and weaknesses of your employees. So this business diagnostic study not even helps you to identify the strengths and weaknesses of the business, but it also helps to identify the strengths and weaknesses of each and every employee, so that you can develop a better learning and training calendar for them, and at the same time you can have an individual learning program for each and every employee on the basis of their strengths and weaknesses. That's benefit number 8. Benefit number 9 is identify the employee motivation. So on the basis of business diagnostic study, we'll present to you that what is the main motivating factors for your employees. So what you can do is you can formulate your strategies, you can formulate your principles, you can formulate your tools, techniques on the basis of those employee motivating factors. This will not only improve the business performance, but at the same time it will also improve the entire organizational culture. And the last and the 10th benefit is to have a more employee engagement. The business diagnostic study that we do will give you some insights about how can you engage your employee better, how can you engage them more, so that they are not only motivated to come to work, but at the same time you can create a very positive and a very team spirit base of culture and environment within your organization. So my dear friends, these are the 10 benefits that you are going to get if you conduct SkyPoint Business Solutions Business Diagnostic Study. My dear friends, I welcome you all for this business diagnostic study. So if you are keen to get your business diagnosed, I'm sharing a link below this video. So below this video, there is a link. So click on the link and register yourself, and we with our team will come to your business, come to your organization and conduct a business diagnostic study. And I can tell you, you can take your business to the next level just in few days if you know the right tools and techniques for it, which we are going to share with you. So until we meet next time, this is Darshit Shah signing off. All the best and see you soon.